Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the USB-C charging port on a Samsung Galaxy S20 phone. The phone must be completely turned off. Never clean it while it's turned on. We could damage it. We need a rectangular brush with flexible bristles. The bristles should be soft or medium hard, because if they are too hard, they will scratch your phone. We need 100% pure isopropyl alcohol so that it first softens the dirt in the port, allows it to be cleaned, and then evaporates without leaving any traces behind, because otherwise impure alcohol would just leave dirt in the port again, and the port would be dirty once more. It's also useful to have a little plastic tool like this to just check the ends of the port to see if anything has built up there, some dirt. This was printed by us on a 3D printer, but you can buy something very similar on Allegro. Likewise, Allegro has it, Amazon too. Whatever you prefer. So once we have the phone fully turned off... Oh, and you can also buy this brush, this diffuser, in a set on Allegro or Amazon. And if you don't have one and can't buy one, you can try using a regular toothbrush. Just make sure the bristles are soft or medium hard, otherwise you'll scratch the entire frame of the phone. We dampen the brush thoroughly, so that it's wet. We take the phone in our hand. The USB-C port is right here. Insert the brush into one side of the port as far as it will go and slide it to the other side. Perform about 10 such movements. In one direction, not back and forth, because that's pointless and would just move the dirt around. Just to have a few strokes in one direction so that the dirt comes out of the port. After 10 strokes, we now insert the brush from the other side of the port and slide it in the other direction to clean the second part of the port and make it fully clean. We also perform about 10 movements. If the port is very dirty, we can repeat this operation 20 or 30 times in each direction. Then it will be perfectly cleaned and will work like new. When do we perform this operation? For example, when the cable doesn't want to go into the port or fast charging isn't working. All of this is directly related to the frustrating fact that the charging cable simply cannot plug in as it should, which is a common issue. C'est de bon auto. After completing this initial operation, we take that small thin piece of plastic I mentioned earlier and carefully run it along the bottom of the charging port, patiently trying to pull out any debris or lint from it on one side, and then repeating the exact same motion on the other side to ensure it is completely clear. And then in the other direction exactly the same thing. And from the other side, if there was anything there, this little piece of plastic would pull it out and we would have the port fully cleaned. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Oh, wait, not yet. Sorry. That was just a small mistake. First, we wait 10 to 15 minutes after the whole operation so that the isopropyl alcohol simply evaporates from the port, and only then can we turn the phone on and use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I would appreciate thumbs up, likes, subscriptions, and see you in my next video.